I'm Tony, the Technical Service Manager and QA Manager for Ultrafryer, Pico, and Annette's. Let's go over diagnostics for an Ultrafryer UltraGold gas valve. If you're having issues with the burners not igniting, let's check the gas valve. First things first, let's make sure that the gas valve handle, this yellow handle here I'm pointing to, is in the on position. The on position is parallel with the gas hose. It should not be perpendicular with the gas hose. That would be the off position. The position this is currently in is on. You also check this black knob on the gas valve. There is an arrow on the end. Up is on, and to the right is off. So the gas valve is currently turned into the off position. You also have this plug here, this white Molex plug. That is the electrical connection to the gas valve that needs to be checked to make sure it's fully seated and installed correctly. We've removed the gas valve assembly from the equipment for more clarity. So just wanted to go over again. Here's your yellow handle to turn your gas on to the equipment. Here's your black knob on the gas valve. You can see where it says on and off. So you can make sure that this arrow is pointed to the correct direction. This is pointed to on. And you also have your wire connections here, which I will pull apart. And this is going to be your white wire in the middle is your common. Your gray wire on this end is going to be for your pilot, and then the orange and red wire are for your main valve circuit. This is a directional plug. You see here there is a hump right here on the plug, and that matches up with the receptacle, so you get it plugged in the correct direction. Make sure that's fully seated and fully plugged in all the way so there's no loose connections. For checking gas pressures on this piece of equipment, this is your incoming gas pressure port. Remove this Allen key, insert your manometer here, and you can check your gas pressure. So first thing, you would turn this gas off, remove this plug, stick your manometer fitting in that hole, and then turn your gas back on to go ahead and allow your gas to flow, and you can get your incoming gas pressure. For manifold gas pressure, or your output pressure, or your burner pressure, here is the fitting here, the plug that you're going to remove. So you can turn the gas valve off. You can remove this plug. You can insert your manometer here. Once your manometer is hooked up, you can turn this gas valve back on, turn your fryer on, and we can get your manifold pressure on your manometer. If you are replacing a gas valve on either a UG18 model or a UG20 model, right here on the gas valve is a plug. This plug is plugging off the gas flow of the outlet to the pilot. UG18 and UG20 do not have a pilot, so we have to plug that exit port on the gas valve. You may or may not get that plug with the gas valve as a new valve, so please remember, if needed, remove the plug from the old gas valve and install it on the new gas valve with proper thread sealant.